To turn on or off mobile data saving on the Realme C71, first of all you'll have to go for the settings. From here, go into the mobile network, and here you can find this option data saving. So simply tap on this one, and as you are here, there is the switch for the data saving to either enable it or disable it. So as you press this one, here there's the information that apps running in the background will not be able to receive new messages. So yeah, this is just the information. Here you can turn it on and you can turn it off with this switch. And additionally, you can set up some unrestricted applications. So like for example, to prevent these notifications not coming, you can, like for example, for I don't know, WhatsApp application. I don't currently have WhatsApp right here, but if you're having WhatsApp application, simply find it and press this switch to set up this WhatsApp application as unrestricted application for this data saving, for these limits. So yeah, that's basically how you can do this.